अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हैं? ठीक है आप लोग। और तो मैं आज आपको स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग के बारे में बताता हूँ। स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग ये सबसे पहला है, वो है स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग इन पब्लिक हेल्थ फॉर PhD स्टूडेंट, एडवांसिंग पब्लिक हेल्थ इम्पैक्ट, स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग फॉर कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम। और नेक्स्ट है, वो है लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव। By the end of this lecture, students will be able to analyze the evolution of strategic planning from traditional SWOT or complete system approaches. The evolution of strategic planning in public health. Traditional all business model, public health adoption, and evidence-based planning. From linear to system thinking, traditional cause-effect model completes its feedback loops, organ behavior. Example obvious, from single to multiply criteria beyond cause और नेक्स्ट है मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, वो है थियोरेटिकल फ्रेमवर्क कॉम्प्लेक्स अडैप्टिव सिस्टम, a CAC, resource or based view of organization and institutions. Core competition for PhD researcher, analytical skill set, system analyze, mapping, stakeholder network, identify, leverage, multi-criteria decision analyze, formal method for priority setting, weight competing in objective, handling in uncertainty and risk, tactical framework application। और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आगे देखें। Research practice translation, bridging academic evidence and implementation, understanding political and organizational text, communicating complex and analyze, applied case study, prioritize chronic disease intervention in amidst society, chronism, and department with limited mass choice, group exercise, strategic analysis, stakeholder, identify key stakeholder and trust, map power and influence relationships, multi-criteria assessment, develop the evaluation and criteria with weight, score, intervention, and system and concentration, and identify a potential unintended consequence. Consider long-term system research at opportunity and methodology, promising research direction, document and analyze implementation science, studying the plan to action gap in public health agency or organizational structure and strategic planning execution. A method development, novel multi-criteria framework for specific public health challenges, integration of system dynamic modeling, dissertation ready research and question, how to rural health and urban health department differ in their strategic priorities, implementation and challenges and ethical consider a common implement barrier, research content, limited funding, staff, technical capacity, ethical dimension, procedural justice, ensuring inclusive stakeholder engagement, transparency in decision-making process, distribute justice, its equity, implication, and a strategic priority. E, e, addressing health disparity is in intergeneration and equity. Long-term impacts of strategic decision, sustainable public health in infrastructure. A conclusion and resource key takeaway: a strategic planning in public health require both technical, analytical skill and political acumen. And recommended resource framework MAPP mobilize for action through planning and partnership. A PHAB standard tool, smart vaccines, HP softwares are call to action. As future public health leaders and researchers, you have the opportunity to transform how we approach strategic planning beyond doctoral रिसर्च। और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, अब आप मुझे बताएगा आपको मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप मेरी वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना। इसलिए आज के लिए बाय बाय मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों। बहुत मजा आएगा आपको मेरी अगली वीडियो में, इसलिए देखते जाइएगा।